Kanagiri Educational Management Program now presents 10th class change exam pattern for the benefit of the student. Post-COVID 2021 examination pattern. Telangana SSC Board examination pattern. As per the revised exam pattern, the total number of question paper for class 10th board exams has been reduced from 11 to 6 with the change in the exam pattern. 50% choice in the subjective question paper, whereas in Hindi, the choice is more than 50%. The marks are doubled for each question as the question paper has been reduced from 11 to 6. And then each question paper will have a part A and part B. Part A consisting of 3 sections and each section will have 50% choices. Earlier 1 mark question will now 2 marks. Earlier 2 marks question will now 4 marks. Earlier 4 mark question will now 8 marks. Part B, earlier it used to have half mark. Now it will be 1 mark. Except science subject, other paper will have part A 60 and then part B will have 20 marks. Science paper consisting of physical science paper and biology, and it will have 2 papers on the same day. Physical science part A 30 marks will be there and part B 10. Same in the case of biology, part A 30 marks, part B 10 marks. Total again 80 marks only. Same day 2 papers in stipulated 3 hours 15 minutes, but we need to write in separate answer sheets for the convenience of corrections. Other changes to the exam pattern. Student will have more choices in terms of questions for each paper. 2 hours 45 minutes, now it will be 3 hours 15 minutes. Another significant change in the marking system is that for the 6th paper, the examination would be conducted for the total of 600 marks, including 480 marks for the board examination and 120 marks for the internals. And then here we are giving an example of 10th class social studies paper. The time allotted is 3 hours 15 minutes, maximum marks here 80. We need to understand the instructions, read and understand the question paper. We need to answer the questions part A on the answer booklet only. Write the answers to the questions under part B on the question paper itself and attach it to the answer booklet of part A. Part A contains 3 sections, 1, 2 and 3. 15th section, write the answer following the instructions given in each section. And then here we need to understand about part A. Part A consisting of section 1, section 2 and section 3. Section 1 will have 6 questions we need to write, 6 into 2, 12 marks. Section 2 we need to write only 4 questions, 4 into 4, 16 marks. Again section 3 we need to write 4 and then we will be getting each question 8 marks, 4 into 8, 32, total will be 60 marks. And then section 1, as we said earlier, group A and group will be there and each group will have 6 questions. We need to answer only 3 from each group. So each question carries again, so earlier we said 2 marks, 6 into 2, 12 marks. Here we have given a sample of part A consisting of group A and group B, and then group A will have 6 questions, we need to write only 3. Group B again 6 questions from 7 to 12, we need to write only 3. And then section 2 consisting of 8 questions, we need to write only 4 questions. Each question carries 4 marks, and 4 into 4 it will be 16 marks. And then section 2 we have given the pattern over here, and then 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20 we need to write only 4. And then section 3, again it will have group A and group B. Answer any 2 from each group. Each question carries 8 marks. 4 into 8, 38 marks. Here we have given sample under group A. 4 questions are given. We need to write only 2. And then Section 3, Group B, again 4 questions have been given. We need to write only 2. And then part B, 30 minutes time. Here we have 20 questions and each carries 1 mark. Answer all questions 20 bits. Each question carries 1 mark. Answers are to be written in the question paper only. Marks will not be awarded in any case of we need to understand overwritten, rewritten or erased answers. So we should be very careful when writing the answers. And then we need to write in capitals only A, B, C, D, showing the correct answers. And with this, I think you are very clear about the change in exam pattern. And then for the convenience of the students, we have provided objective paper over here. 20 questions will be there, and we need to write out all 20, and each question carries 1 marks. I think with this, I hope you are clear, and then don't get confused. So the choice is more, and then certainly we will get good marks. But the only thing is we need to study very well, so that I think we can get in objective 20 marks, because there is no choice in objective questions. I wish you good luck and all the best, children. Thank you very much.